Hello and welcome to another tutorial. So working off the same principle as the duck that I've done, which if you haven't seen, basically this one, yeah. Also thought, let's see what else we can sort of do. So I've come up with like this little seal, yeah. So I thought, you know what, let's show you the seal. So on this one, pop him over there. Yeah, what you're going to need is a white 260. You're going to need a blue or any other colour that you so wish for the base of it. Now, when I've been practicing, I've been using chrome on this because I didn't think the matte really worked. A scrap of grey and the little tiniest scrap of black. You're going to start off with the white, and you're going to start off very similar to the duck. So you're going to start off with a pinch twist. The only difference is now we're going to do another pinch twist, okay? We're then going to do a loop, so hand's width, trying to make it all very similar to the other animals that we've done. So once again, another spacer bubble. This one's going to go inside the loop, and then we are going to do a small loop, probably around sort of 3 fingers. Then we're going to come up, little tiny bubble, like there. Then we're going to do a small pinch twist, like that. And that's going to do that. So double pinch twist, 4-finger loop, spacer bubble, 3-finger loop, really small bubble, and a pinch twist. This is going to then get pushed into there, which then gives us this shape. We're going to do a 1-finger bubble, and we're going to wrap that around those 2 pinch twists, okay? Like this. Okay. So at the moment, all this is kind of out, but when we put the face on, it's going to push that all in. Yeah, we're going to come down, so 3 fingers, then we're going to do 2 small loops, like so. Wrap those around, get rid of this part, tie this off. Now what you can do, you can keep that little bit of scrap to attach down here, to attach it to the blue, yeah, whatever. Yeah, we're going to take our grey, and we're going to do 1 small bubble, followed by another small bubble. Yeah, try to get them as equal as possible, and then make those 2 into pinch twists. Like so. Then we're going to make a slightly larger bubble than those 2 and give that a pinch twist, which gives us a sort of standard sort of bottom jaw bit of so many animals that was made in the past. Get our little scrap of black, pull that really tight down there, and wrap it around, clear off the excess, so we have that. Okay, we can tidy this bit up, so you have that bit. Okay, we're then going to be putting this through here, so we're going to let this down, tie this off so it doesn't go anywhere. Nothing worse than finishing a model and then it going down. Then we're going to poke it through that loop that's sticking up, okay? We're going to pull it really tight. You kind of want it to be sucked into the face, yeah? And we're going to wrap it around that pinch twist at the back of the head, like this. I'm going to tidy it up, And that's the start of our seal. Take our pen. Really basic artwork. Just 2 dots for the eyes. And you can see there, we can give it a little bit of movement. Yeah. Let's bang it on the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So we can take a scrap of white. Let's see. That one's a bit long. There we go, about there. We can wrap it into those pinch twists if we want. And then bring it down into those petals. Right, so, okay, so I've made 6, I've now got 5, yeah? I could stop the filming and continue and pretend that didn't happen, but you know what? Balloons sometimes pop, yeah? So, I'm not going to stop. We're going to pretend it's supposed to happen, right? So, we got our seal, we can put it, at this point we can put it on our wrist, yeah? Or we can put it on a headband. You know the score. I don't need to tell you guys. You're not watching this because you're thinking you don't know anything. And then you can see there, we got a little seal. So there we go. Yeah, and this is ideal for any mechanics because look, I've blown a seal. Right, there we go, one little seal, worked off the duck that we've done, but yeah, there you go. What do you think?